Are you looking for an extremely well cared for condo complex that has low HOA dues, offers great views, and at an affordable price? Well, then you're gonna love this condo because we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit that it comes with a 10 by 24 foot boat slip and completely turnkey. All furniture, decorations, down to the pots and pans. Today we're at Cedar Glen Condominiums in Camdenton, building 288, unit 3C. Let's go take a look around. Cedar Glen offers many different amenities, like multiple pools, a playground, sand volleyball. You've got boat trailer parking, a boat ramp, and you've even got this huge yard space with a lakeside fire pit. My name's Ethan Lee with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro Team. For more information or a private tour, please give us a call at 800-836-2005, or you can check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.